Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Vauxhall Grandland SRI nav. This car comes with the 1.2 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 128 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and the car's covered just over 15,000 miles and comes with full service history from Vauxhall. This particular colour is the White Jade and is in good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As for every side, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats there are half leather and really comfortable. There's also an armrest and two cup holders there in the front for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation and DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control as well as cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers there behind the steering wheel. And then on the driver's door card, you have your folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Grandland's a great car for the family, so nice raised driving position, nice wide door opening in the back here as well, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents as well as a USB port there in the centre. As we open the tailgate, on the Grandland X you have a really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then you also have the floor there. It can be raised or lowered, as well as a bit of extra storage below as well. And then in that black box you have your tyre inflator. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the diamond cut alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.